the leadership in Krishna consciousness is not really a position, but it's a role. You become leader not in sitting on a big seat, right? Rather, you become a leader by distributing the knowledge that you have received. And to what extent? To the extent that you have received that knowledge, to that extent you distribute. And that is how you're fulfilling that responsibility. And like Prabhupada very clearly told us actually, it is not that first you have to become a perfect and then you will start to preach. No, whatever you have learned, distribute. Prabhupada even went to the extent of telling, if you have understood that Krishna is God, just go and tell people.